Hello everyone! It's me, Mommy Maya, and my daughter Zoe.
My name is Davi.
And welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today's video, my daughter will learn the phonic sounds and she will learn how to read. Disclaimer lamang po, hindi po ako graduate ng education, hindi po ako teacher. Graduate po ako ng architecture, pero hindi rin po ako gumagawa ng plano ng bahay dahil mas pinili ko ang maging full-time nanay. At sa pagiging full-time nanay, kasama na sa gawain ko ang pagtuturo sa aking mga anak. Nang abot ng aking kakayahan. What I am saying?
Ako diba?
Okay, so let's start. I will write first the alphabet. Zoe, you read this.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, P, W, X, Y, and Z.
Okay, very good. How about the phonic sounds? Phonic sounds tayo.
A, G, 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 E, K, K, I, J, G, L, O, P, P, D,
Ah, good job, Zoe. Okay, Zoe, Mommy will write some words and then you will read using the phonic sounds. Okay? Louder, louder. Add. I love you too. Okay, now I will add some letter. The beginning. Zoe, you read this one. What's that? Okay, how about this one? Very good. Good job. What else? Yes, yes. This one. Good job, Zoe. One more. How about this one? This one, Zoe. Very good. How about this one? Very good. This one. Yes. Okay, okay. Yes, down. This one. You read that. Yes. 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 How about this one? Zoe? Zoe, this one.
Diet.
Ah, yes. Zoe, this one.
The. Ah. Dan.
Done.
Dan. How did they that and dan?
This is an yes. This is the name of a boy. Read this.
The. Ah.
What's that?
Dan.
Yes, done. You're right.
Then dan.
Yes. You read.
The. Ah. Dan.
Yes.
I can do it now. Diet.
Yes.
Ah. Dan.
Fun. Yeah. Good job, Zoe.
I need to diet.
Yes.
Go down.
You're learning phonic sounds.
I'm very good. Ah, man.
Yes, you're right. Good job.
Good job. B, ah, ban.
High five.
High five another one.
Another one. Okay, good job, Zoe.
High five little bigger.
Okay. So,
Bigger boy that this one up.
yes, let's move to up. Up
Up.
sounds and ag.
Up.
Let's first the up. Okay.
The, ah, the, that.
Very good.
Now I need a small girl.
You're a small girl. You're a little girl.
My girl.
Ah, you're smiling. You're a smiley girl. Okay. Cute, cute, cute. Say hi there. Hi.
Hi.
You say learning is fun.
Nanny is fun. Good job.
Good job, Zoe. What's this one?
G, ah, the, got.
Good job. What else? Okay.
Makita lang ako.
Sit down lang ikaw. You're tired?
Yes.
Okay. This one. You read?
You, ah, the, yeah.
Love.
Yeah.
Okay, love. Love.
Yeah.
It's not laughing, ha? Laugh. Here, laugh. How about this one, Zoe? Zoe, this one.
Ah, the, now.
Very good.
G, ah, the, that,
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. Let's move to ag family.
Family.
Yes. Okay, what's this?
The, ah, the, that,
Yes, correct.
that.
Bag. Can you see that?
The, ah, the, that,
Bag.
that.
About that?
Yup, yeah, yeah.
Yes. How about this?
Yup, yeah.
Yes. This one.
World, world,
Bird.
ah, the, world,
Rug.
that,
How about this? So, how about this?
that, yeah.
Are you read by phonic
What?
sounds? Yes. You read it phonic sounds. only.
World, ah, good,
Yes.
what,
So that's it. Now, I will write a sentence. Then let's try if Zoe can read it.
I love you, mommy.
I love you too, Zoe.
Hug,
Okay, mommy.
hug, mommy.
Okay, mommy will write a sentence. Zoe, you read.
That, on a mat.
Good job. you're laughing? I laughing. How about this one?
The ham is on a bun.
Very good.
I'm stronger.
Yes, you're strong.
Stronger.
Okay. Ah, you are a strong girl.
A man has a bun.
Good job.
Oh, kuya dako.
I like that one.
I will make the pointy.
You read this one.
I will make the pointy.
You will erase the point, the period. Oh, pinatry that. It's a sentence. It's a point. Oh, this one.
You are doing good, Daddy. Ay! Mommy.
You read this.
Mommy will eat you after this.
Good job.
Mama, you have a lipstick?
Yes, I have a lipstick. Did you enjoy, Zoe?
Yes, I would like.
You read this.
Mommy will eat you later.
Later.
Mommy will eat you later.
How about this one? I'll use the red.
I will start with. You like to use the story. Mommy will eat you later. Thank you, Mommy.
You read this one. You read.
Thank you for watching.
So, ayun. Kapag pala yung bata, mas inuna mong itinuro sa kanya yung mga phonic sounds
Phonic
or the letter sounds, yes, mas madali na lang siyang makapagbasa. Yun yung napansin ko sa baby girl ko. Actually po, last year pa lang before pandemic.
Kaya kami
Listen. Actually po, last year pa lang po before pandemic, alam na niya yung mga phonic sounds. Ang ginagawa ko dati, ako yung nagsasabi ng phonic sounds or the letter sounds. Example, and then siya yung nagsasabi kung anong word yun. Sinasabi niya, mat. Ganon. Kaso, that time, sobrang busy ako. Hindi ko man lang siya nabibidyohan dati. So, ngayon lang ako nagka-time na videohan siya with the phonic sounds. That's all. I hope you enjoyed our video.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Mwah! Please subscribe on our channel, Moni Mea. At meron din pong channel yung aking mga anak, Zay Kids TV. Please subscribe also and turn on the notification bell para updated.
Bye-bye too.
Yes, para updated po kayo sa mga next videos namin.
You say bye-bye.
Bye-bye! Thank you po! Mwah!
Mwah.